I'm Ashley Colburn, and this is your guide to the top 5 things to do in St. Petersburg. In every city I visit, I like to take a free walking tour to get acquainted and to meet new people and get insider's tips. This will give you a great overview, and you can see where you'll want to spend most of your time. With 5 buildings full of around 3 million pieces of artwork, you can't miss a tour of the Hermitage. My best tip is to read up before you go to see what buildings interest you the most. From the center of the city, you can take boats on the half hour to visit TERHOF Palace. Give yourself a half day to tour the palace and walk around the gardens. When you buy your ticket, you have to book your return, so plan accordingly. St. Petersburg is very opulent with magnificent architecture that holds some of the most beautiful hotels. I went to have tea at the historic Corinthia Hotel. It's not a trip to Russia without seeing a ballet. I was thrilled to catch Swan Lake at the beautiful Mariinsky Theater, an experience I'll treasure forever.